Yeah, cross. Good job. Do it again.
There.
Oh, close. Try again. Finger off the trigger till you're ready. Nice.
Wow, it just went one big swing.
Yeah. Close. There you go. There you go. Nice.
One flicked on me. That's a good thing I have my glasses.
Yep.
On there.
Oh,
Oh,
close.
that's pretty weird.
There you go. Nice. Can you shoot the one to the right of it? Yeah. Oh, close.
So this one?
Yeah. That one swings more when you hit it. Nice.
Oh, I'm out.
You're out. Nice.
Wait, the other one. It's not slide. There we go.
Good job. Can you hit it again? Nice. Whoa.
Oh. Oops. The dot must have moved. Hey, come here, here, Dot. I'll hide behind the thing or I can't shoot really good. There you go.
Nice.
Oh,
It's close.
I think I had it on the line. It's hard to tell because the target's orange and the red dot's kind of orange.
Yeah. Nice. Oh, just off a little. Good job. Nice. Close. There you go. Nice. Oh.